guys, welcome back to Budget Rebuilds. Today we are going to start a new project, which I think is going to be a pretty cool one, but Rich is going to tell you all about it. We're excited.
Yeah, we're doing this celebrating kind of our 100 videos that we've done so far. So we're going to spend quite a bit more money than we usually do on this. There's definitely going to be no budget to this, but let's show them.
You want to show them?
I want to show them.
Okay,
Yeah.
let's show them.
Okay. So we got this drop seat bagger frame. It was built previously, or maybe started to get built and never did. I'm not really sure, but I acquired it all as one piece. I have the Road Glide front fairing just kind of setting on there right now, but whoa. But it's got a stretched tank and molded in side covers, stretched rear fender. I love it. I like the look of it. We've been wanting to do a 26 or a 30 bike forever, and the frame's already stretched and raked to do a 26 or a 30 on it. I'd like to do like a drop, what do they call it, where the frame sits on the ground? I don't know what they call that, whatever it is. Put air right on it so that it, when you set it all the way down, it sits on the frame. And I like the color on it. You can't really see probably in the camera, but it's a pearl white. I'd like to try to clean it up and see how it looks and maybe match the bags to it, or maybe do a whole different color altogether. I don't know. Let us know in the comments what y'all think, what color y'all like to see it. But this is how I got it. So no engine, no transmission, no harness, no bags, no forks, no nothing. So I bought us a parts bike so that I could go ahead and swap in my drivetrain and get all the little stuff that I needed, the forks, the electronics, stuff like that. And I still don't know what I want to do. I don't even know if I want to do a Road King or a Road Glide front fairing. Maybe do just a Road King to kind of simplify it so I don't have so many wires trying to run up through here. But I don't know. Let us know what y'all think we should do on it.
We are open for suggestions on this one.
Yeah, I have a total open mind about it. But let me go ahead and show you our parts bike we bought. So this is our parts bike. It's a 2005 Electric Glide Ultra Classic. It's bone stock, even has stock mufflers on it. It is a total loss bike. It has a little bit of damage on the torque mat and some scratches on the fairing, but that's pretty much it. I drove it right off of the transport truck, so it's not that bad. It runs and drives fine, and that's pretty much all there is to it. Now, the only stuff that we plan on using off this, like I said earlier, is the forks, the drivetrain, electronics, and stuff like that. If y'all have any interest in maybe buying the complete body or any little parts here and there, just let us know in the comments and we'll see what we can get it out for with shipping and everything. But yeah, I guess first order of business is go ahead and get it in there, get it on the lift. Let's get most of the stuff off of it so we can start getting the drivetrain out. And in some of my past videos, what I've done is take the whole bike apart down to the frame and then take the drivetrain out as one unit. I'm not doing that this time. I'm going to be pulling off the primary, engine and transmission separate and stuff, just so I don't have to try to wrestle the frame around it, because obviously with that one having the molded in side covers is going to be nearly impossible. So yeah, let's go ahead and get inside and start tearing it down. Alright, I'm just going to start pulling stuff apart. Oh shit. I said I need to snug that down. I totally forgot to do that. Oops. drum seat's on there, ain't it? I know there's some kind of release for this thing too, and I just have no idea where it is or how it works. I'm just going to go ahead and cut these wires because a lot of this harness I'm going to eliminate anyway when it goes on the new bike. So, because I don't feel like going back through there tracing stuff and unplugging it, and we're not using any of that. Hopefully this thing falls off. What's it got? Oh, it's still got another harness in there. So we're back at it here the next day. Gonna go ahead and get the rear fender off, and then the tank. I don't have a ignition key, so I can't get the dash part off, so I'll mess with that later on. Right now I want to focus on getting the rest of the body off, and then in the next video we'll go ahead and start getting all the mechanicals out, the primary engine and transmission and stuff. But I'm going to start by pulling off this front bolt in the front of the fender right here. I had to take the shocks loose to lower the swing arm so I can actually get to it. And I've already pulled my 3 bolts out of the tank, so hopefully I can just unplug the stuff. Alright, so like I said, my plan for the next video is to go ahead and get all the mechanicals off of it, swing arm and all that other stuff. We're at a good stopping point right now, so please make sure to catch us on the next round. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notifications bell so you know when we post our next video. Appreciate it very much, y'all. Thank you.